Talk about this real quick then. This is a 1981 Honda CB650, my Uncle Steve's bike from 1983. And the original gas tank had a considerable amount of rust inside that we just could not resolve well enough. So we had to buy an aftermarket tank that's a little bit smaller, but the color is spot on perfect, so we had to go with it. And it required a little bit of modification to make it work. We got these posts that come off, that these little rubber sleeve boots, are to help absorb vibration for it. And with the existing way the posts came off, they come out a bit further out like that, and they would hit on the sides of the tank. So we had to chop them down with a hacksaw and then modify that little absorber so that the slots of the aftermarket tank can just slide right up on it, and it clears the frame just fine. And it's a little bit short on the rear, but we've got a little modification, a little piece of flat metal that'll help that. It'll look fine, but you can see underneath there, the gap right there will fit, but these little guys here would it would hit right in here if we didn't trim those posts inside. So let's see how the test fit looks on it there. Let's throw it on there. It clears the frame nicely. It slides right up on our little modified absorbers, and it looks fine. It's just a little bit shorter than the stock tank. Those guys right there, we'll bolt it right there, and that's just, you can get that wherever your hardware store, and it should look good. And then we got some aftermarket little logos we're going to work with, and considering it's a 40-year-old bike, it's going to look good. But yeah, we got other videos about this bike on our channel that we're doing stuff with the carburetor and other things, so check all that out. But yeah, it's 81 CB650, been in Uncle Steve's possession since 1983.